for higher juicy news. Mema Wibia Akwaba had the latest hot Aremeyaw Bremo. And it is a subscribe to channel idea, but Modia say over subscribe. The Obayan say over click the subscribe button, you know. Na wabele notification. We had a video for Frubia be upload no when the first person once ebe can a video. Afi Wibia na wala keep video no give us a thumbs up. Na fi share ma wofoforo so na we be hwe na wo hu ensabdodo na ra ekoso ewo Ghana memo hano afi ententemara yeti sa report ya sansemu ya babetudwai momenti sansemu ya ekoso momenti
things down for Ghanaians to know nokore no nokore metena haka ya mede de enwoma ene adanse tare 20 na NPP for nya 38% nokore no. It is not about going after people. It is not about maligning people. Nobody in Ghana today can come out and say, Kevin Taylor, the document to me by force. Nobody. And I'll prove to you today. So, I support this man 1,000%. And it is something that we need to implement. We need to criminalize people sitting on social media, making vague allegations. Metna TV so etna social media etna face all social media etna TV so Kennedy Agyapong ka say makan sem egu hu fin Kennedy Agyapong ba court no me de menjina so every fact me present man or court. I told him these are my evidence, these are my facts. Judge hwe no say okay case bi eni ho. That is how it's supposed to be done. And I'm not scared when I speak on issues because I am using the fact. Now, there's this jandam I want to kill. You know, you see, Juma we are check. Now, I'm catching NPP for say I am being considerate when it comes to Bawumia Kennedy Agyapong, Boakye Agyarko. For now, I am being considerate. There are a lot of things that I show bits and bits of it because the focus is not about people and what they do. The focus is about competence. Going into election 2028, I don't care about Bawumia, I don't care about Kennedy Agyapong, what they do. What I care about is, are they competent enough to lead Ghana? If I decide to do dirty, if I decide to go dirty, Kennedy Agyapong, Mahamadu Bawumia, Boakye Agyarko, whoever leads the NPP cannot step out of their room. I'm telling you. Me say the things I know, 99% of even NPP from the NPP, they don't know. Over the weekend, I'm in Canada. Now I'm in Montreal. I was watching Formula 1 with my family. And as usual, everybody wants to use Kevin Taylor's name to make name, to become relevant. There's something I want to show you here. Oh, sir, picture way. This was a picture that I posted on my Twitter. And I think my team, they posted on Facebook. And the picture was this. Right? Now, this picture, even on Twitter, I didn't really explain it. I told people who were my followers on Twitter, say, oh, look at this and judge for yourself. Now, there was a reason why the picture, I decided to put this picture out. Now, the reason why this picture was put in this form, anytime I catch it, NPP for say, if I want to do dirty, the kind of dirty I will do. But Bawumia Kennedy, they cannot step out of their room. Now, this picture, they won't say NPP for about it. When you Bawumia, wait. Then about Bawumia, she picture be obiako krope. Mama chamo. This picture was taken in Kumasi. It was taken Saturday. Now picture way, baby Bawumia fie wo Kumasi, for Diamond Hills. Otchere mensa bonsu fie o. Otchere mensa bonsu o fie e Diamond Hills e wo Kumasi. This Bawumia wo 2 houses e Diamond Hills e wo Kumasi. Mechawa debi. Mechawa say, Nyoma yekutano, if we decide to speak on them, amount for we nka Bawumia nka kude nkompese obi abeka ho asem. Bawumia no monsa. or no whiskey. Beso bi abeka ho asem, but for some reason tina me ye we nka menye, but I want to prove a point to some people. Any Ghana phobia. This picture was taken, on Friday, not on Saturday, Friday in Kumasi. Last Friday, yeah. Bawumia was in Kumasi last week Friday. Area na dan we see two houses. Two houses Bawumia won Kumasi, Diamond Hills. Or say Mensa Bunsu or dan wo ho. Mahamadu Bawumia or dan wo ho. Bawumia were two houses ho. Now, a dan mi anu ba kwa Samira dia and about Bawumia dia. Bawumia ni fie na ewo Kumasi no. Friday we no twa picture we. He was having drinks with his friends. I just posted. I didn't want to even explain, but I have to do it because Anna Obi Jiminti na Obi akonya problem. Now, this is the house in Kumasi. This is the house. Now, this is the house. This is where the picture was taken in Kumasi. Now, because Jandam, any atro, some people, you see, this is the picture. You want to see, this is Mahamadu Bawumia. This is the picture. I didn't want to do this, but I have to do it because I want to prove a point to Ghana for. This is technology. Mahamadu Bawumia netwono. Let me enlarge it. Na me chewa there. Oh boy, no hono. Baku use LX Lexus. Maybe I met show. I want to do something. Me say, why not ya kunyenim? So when I post something, now may even consider it. I am being considerate. It's not because say beer. Me person means me person Ghana. Me, I'm very considerate when it comes to a lot of things. I can show videos of what Bawumia does in Kumasi. Mo see at that level no. Mumbusa Mahamadu Bawumia. Baby achema timi koto eduane ne bre no. Sa lady ne your friends a charity eduane no koto no. Dia na the fratis that in kwan nim. Hey, munye din wate. Sa mama ya charge a ade bi ebeye no Ghana no. Mama ye bufu a ba ye mpese ebeye because it's not necessary. It is not necessary. Abrante na ogina ho no. Abrante na ogina no. Muni munkofu kro. Mon from na mumbuso am say we dey in that room unless mama ka say we see a Photoshop. Enti nipa na ote ho no mumbusa ne say Bawumia na say nya Bawumia. Se mon pese bibia be ko bone a mamoma bibia nko bone. Because boje says ajandam na mudi yeti ajo mahama na mu ninjina so ne ye wo njina so. Your videos, your pictures. Na mu CCTV na mo set up mu fie no. Company na set no. Boje say wana mo dia. Mu CCTV na maye yero mu fie ho na mo tete ho no. Mu CCTVs no me pese bunya abotre na mo hwe because me wia bibi intimate samade bi mumunim de asi. I want you people to take your time and soak the picture. Take your time and soak the picture. We were reading to me your way. Now I tell you kana Kevin Taylor. We nya Bawumia me se hwe. Minka bibia me se hwan kakra. Now you understand when we put things up, you people should be very careful. Yani enya jandam. Yani atra jandam. Yani baby you do no, we don't do bosemuka. Hey. What we do is we bring you the facts. And it's mashada, there are videos to this about Bawumia and Setiana no. Hey, mo per se a saying for a bit to me, but me out of respect for Bawumia. Out of respect for Bawumia, and internet we don't want to do some things. But some people say I am level ni biya. Internet work Canada na me say check me say small boys are young. Small boys are young, and if we want us to actually save time and show you only, because it's looking like say team I want to crop only Bawumia. I think that would be easy for them. Maybe I will crop it only Bawumia. Maybe I'm a free topic we so me person me start taking our system nim. Let me show you only Bawumia in this picture. Mamu nyesa mistake no. Yani charge de bano. Now this is just him. We will deal with this. Who is this? Whiny. Also, it's not Bawumia, it's who? Huh? I want you to say, I'm out for me to a, that may not be any problem. But me per se me say, Jandam is dead. Me per se say, Jandam is dead. And some people say politics na mummy nyina yenya botre. Jandam want me. We will kill everything. You people have no space. I'll come back to this matter. But I want you people to know, oh, these boys, how more pictures in them. Boys, I'm going to tell you something about these boys. Oh, boys, more NPP for winning boys, boys, I am coming to tell you something about these boys. Maybe cars are using when they were entering the house. Nipa na omunyo mudili. Ene die na ekoso. Hey, you people, let's do clean politics. So sometimes we are very considerate. Sometimes we are very, very considerate. Nyamebi oha. Yes, pese ye beni gidi. So what we do is we deliberately stay away. You know, we do some small cropping near the amamo because some of us say, "Dear Yalan say, Bawumia ni yema nka de we nka yanka ho asabu biemo. Bawumia ni yema anka this matter. Ki yanka ho asem biem. Ba kwasia binti. Kwasia binti. Enende yesa de Bawumia beto ha ye dwudwam. I'll come back to this matter. Now, thank you very much, team. NPP for chairman a release statement to be and statement in here say back in Kama PZ for nyina atiasie. It's exactly 5:22 time crack on 9:22. Now statement na NPP chairman a release no simple. You see NPP chairman the krata aba bontene ne busia for the krata aba bontene na krata na die ne wom. On a normal day nanka o say eye NPP for radio station won to me ana asase ana omo radio station fui na ka omo kinkan na omo chechirem but omo bon na me do me do eye Nicaragua for me say me do eye den eye NPP for and me do PZ for Kevin Taylor ya mu body dua edi na tem no me na me sa be kan akyerechirem NPP party no sa party ni chairman na e de krata aba bontene o se den ya se chairman say ne ho mfa no enti bibia si ma me ndwam se ne be ya ochena kwase bi mkotena radio so enkotwa watro we de emwanga mu chairman krata Nicaragua for brofo samuntina mia me be kenkan akyerechirem se ne be ya ochena obi nkogina be bi nkotu mfuturo ngu weni party na egu mo NPP na mudi akyire no egu na mo agiminti yetumufo a mogi se sebio yeta wo hene mumu bi mo agiminti yetumufo a ogi se ani brew mumu bi mo agiminti yetumufo a ogi se agi ubofuro nkwan afiri wunsem ba ye ka no kura kyerɛ maka kyerɛ se party no egu. Now this is the chairman of the NPP or the krata abeto abontene se yen kan krata no na Ghana for ehu de eko inti mi benya abotre na medwudwam na Ghana for ehu krata na eye NPP for chairman e de aba no e de na chairman e paka na eye krata no de na wom we NPP for chairman eye ono an krata o de aba abontene se yen kan kire mo inti so amefo PZ for South Central so eye aswa se ene eye de asafo market for Asante for amudi NPP echi a mudi matem me be kan na machiche mu otwi mu se ne be ya ochena no kwase bi medada mo krata ni nie PZ for medomo munya abotre chairman of the Council of Elders the New Patriotic Party asalam down sebio asalam down the otia sebio omo mabodam ne gu ho e ho na NPP for headquarters wo asalam down ne wo NPP for chairman actual letter bi eye nebusuafo NPP chairman no nebusuafo atena se actual letter say omo de bre NPP for party ni chairman no na wo hwe esoro na yatro intimate family of Womfie and Insuta PO Box 12 Womfie omo pe problem bia omo box no so is simple Mr. P Mr. S team Enti chairman nebusuafo NPP nebusuan panyi chairman nebusuan panyi ne nebusuafo atnase ena omode nsemegu krata so se yen be kan kire Ghana fo enti anya chairman ntim nko awo no tim ena nebusuan panyi ne etwe pen big ena odi see aya paper so ena wa twro brofo in fact brofo nankasa no enya ebusuan panyi na etwe pen omo kra obi a wakọ school ena oba ebusuan betnase ena ebusuafo nyina etwa hyiaye ena mo se omanu asem ofengu krata so na yemfa mbre Kevin Taylor na onkin kan kire Ghana fo NPP for chairman no omo ebusuafo omo anu asem nie erade maka just a party de gu mo nkwasiafo amudi akire no mo hu bibi da na ma menjom na eye PZ fo ntiase mo amo PZ amonnom eye red munjai most of amonnom red no muntu omonnom red no fo say red no enye otumfo mpe oyo otumfo de shia jai red nom inti mu amonnom red o PZ munjai most of amonnom red no muntu omonnom red no fo so munjai red no nom mo ma menkin kan na menjom. Temporal break from duty as national chairman of the New Patriotic Party NPP. Eye intim chairman na odi NPP so no nebusuafo actual letter na etiri pod say eye chairman say otwene ho. Ya see bibi afa bibi temporal break. Ya ka say temporal break on say GBC. TV ni tumi siso na ye I'm so we apologize for the temporal break. On say tache pa ansa na saba enu bi na chairman e kono. Oko GBC kind of temporal break. And one hwe ni ya na o ma biem. I tete GBC no e ba na say ya chi. Oh, we are so sorry for the inconvenience caused and the temporal break. We'll be right back. I don't know 6 months. When you read into almost temporal break, chairman ebusuan page natural letter bremo. Omo nyina de omo nsa say ma menjudwam. I say we, the family members of Mr. Stephen Ayensu Intim, national chairman of the New Patriotic Party, bring you warm greetings. I say me ebusuan panyina, me di mo chairman, Mr. Intim ebusuan nim no, ye de den, asumdue ene enchia emu ede emu anyom emu fom ede bremu a mo Ghana ne NPP fo nyina ye dwudwam ya charge ye kwa no. To begin with, we can all attest to Mr. Stephen Ntim's lifetime commitment and dedication to the New Patriotic Party for decades, rising through the ranks from the national deputy chairman to his distinguished service as the current national chairman, as demonstrated by his genteel but very assertive leadership style, his enthusiasm to his job, and his sheer love for this great party. Wofa say yanana yenua ketwa Ntim osuma odi asom NPP me ebusua panyini ene ebusuafo ene osoma wode asom o start free form obre no ho ase sebi oboard obre no ho ase obunipa onene mua de abepie national chairman no omo say sanyom ne nyina ahwaho ama a omo de hye etumi ne NPP aye adwuma edi anim a ende wafo akotena soro a oye party ni ti a oye regional chairman into we no hwe this second paragraph na ne nyina ye Bawu ni nyina omo profile e de sanke koton Cristiano Ronaldo a ni nsama ye trofa no ho a e chese oye player papa nanso oye stiff ba no ye nchronshim de nchronse wabo Manchester wabo Real Madrid wabo Juve wabo we ba bebi a oye stiff no ye mfa nka ho into we no obekan say omo ye advert amano e ho ne friend say nyoma a waye odo ene se ne party no gire mu a waye dwuma bedura enchirechirem ene etwitwem okọ paragraph 3 ebusuan panyin ne tro no o say, at this juncture, we, the family members of Mr. Stephen Ntim, have learned that the party has convened a meeting scheduled to be chaired by Mr. Ntim, and we would like our beloved son, brother, nephew, and relative, Stephen Ntim, to be excused from attendance of this event due to recent developments on his health, as well being beginning from today, 16th June 2025. Almost say, Ebusia Penny say, Eye Omo Ebusianfo, Eye Omo de share kronkron berakupe, de share bako, Eye Omo nana, Omo nia bema, Eye Omo wafase, Eye sebio, Omo de share prekupe, Eye friend Stephen Ntim no, Omo te se mo NPP for mo ba be meeting bia, sebio ono ene ebetena epono echi. Na ono abusuan panyini ene eye Stephen Ntim abusuanfo nyina ka kire eye NPP party ni se omo de eye nyamedin esremo omo bodua gu so de hina pato so e de eye ananta enso ato so se eye omo de hye ne de nkom bezam ka kire NPP fo ne se eye mu meeting so eye mu thank you to eye mu party o eye mu bibia no omo de hye ne ho mfa no oyare ne grodo aba sebio yade dade ahye de kom ontumi ntwane kom eye adia ya friend buntuo aka ne yam enti omo de hye ne de eye mo party meeting na mo ahyehye se ombetena ponechi no omo se omo abusuafo no omo de hye omo nana omo doba eye omo abusuani a omo friend Stephen Ntim no omo kan NPP from the 16th of June say enya de a owa hoɔden a oba betena mo mmuemu ene mo meeting say wo bɔ ne tofa. Third paragraph no say o born tofa and I say o summarize ya ebusuafo no person ka che NPP say mo nkwasia party nkwasia meeting no ye de hye ne yare ontimi be ye nkwasia dwuma ye de hye no ne ho hiaye ye de hye no ye mpese obewu te se dwonkuma ye de hye ne mpese mu beku no ete se den eye dankwa ye de hye ne ye obi a ye koma wo no ho a sebio na pom ehiaye enti sa wo hwemu pa nkyerɛkyerɛmu na ɛyɛ busuafo a ɛyɛ Stephen Ntim busuafo ne ka kyerɛ NPP sɛ ɔmo srɛmo sa mo nkwasia party ne mo nkwasia meeting ne mo nkwasia wuo ɛne edubɔne ɛne nsamhunu na mo di o party no ɔmo de hye de ehia ɔmo nya ready sɛ ɔmo bɛkata de chi ɛnda ne ɔkyena yi enti ɔmo twi na afiri mo party ne mu sɛ na be amokodi mo nkwasia asɛm na mo mfa ne nkɔtena pono echi me bɔ ne tofa amount. Mami jujum diaka no. Breadwinner. Amon pesa breadwinner bewu. Hey, and the for no. A next of kin for no. Oko paragraph 4. Mami jujum. Ye kwari upon Although not official, it is well known that Mr. Ntim is not well at the moment, and his condition requires time off from active professional activities in the interest of medical attention and monitoring for the time being. Almost one gasa munim. A woman said, "Yen said I'm fan to abontine, and fan to a yet bedroom, and will be able to say, a year your fast Stephen Ntim, Yaria Bono. Yaria ya kwankro abono ema ya shada ne yenka no obedwum ba ye de ye pese mamuti ase say ende ye fa kwan bi so aka kire mu say yare na abono no ontumi fa nya party adwuma yare ni bia na board on kuma na fon ye ku na eye chairman wuntumi ne nkwara betena radio to say omo ma na confirm yare ni bi na omo de ebo eye omo party fo ni bi na buye no saa ebusuafo we no omo Stephen Tim say oye den oye breadwinner inti omo ma ho kwan e ma onsan betena metimu abra modin kan e de yare bi ato no so inti ebusuafo no say omo mpene. Paragraph 5 ye dwudwam. Therefore, in compliance with his professional medical advice and in cognizance of his demanding office, we the family members do hereby request that Mr. Intim be temporarily excused, not only from active for office duty, but also from outright party politics until further notice. Hey, I had a more ding. Maybe a more you know busa paying the atuasiano. Or see. Therefore, so we be trouble for the kind of therefore be shower and I said the ABC training yet. And so because August. So be trouble for now because therefore that means that the other twasono na adwene boni woni trim. When did the boni man ya ne ya wana kumem brofu yesua brofu jenim yaka. Or says therefore in compliance with his professional medical advice. Or see eye ye wo fa say ye nana ye de hye eye Stephen Tim. Sebio de ekukosui any the ACC any the ewo ye chia ye win inti eye ne doctor ene ne yaria won sama ne doctor hwehwem ene se ne napomuden mu ensam aye wonwan no omo hu ne se eye endwuma obedi ama party no sebio eye dwuma emu odin anopa chairman ewia chairman enwumre chairman sorebra na betena ha omo se omo de sanyo mani nyina tutu nsini ani na omo woso na omo hwe na omo twani na omo hu ani a na se omo posa na se omo hu ani ate se ntetre na omo hu de kwana oni asa hoodin na ode ba be party adwuma into omo ebusuafo ne se eniminim idea party no entiasie se omo de hye omo nana omo red breadwinner omo next of king omo relative omo busuani a friend Stephen Tim no party dwumadie de we yi ne nsafiri na emom kura no de ema emuya den ne se enye ne o yese daachi nsem bi efa party ne ho bia no yese Stephen Tim ebusuafo se onka ho so what kind brofo chepa ma me kan brofo we na me summarizing kire me born tofa say therefore in compliance with his professional medical advice and in cognizance PZ for Monka in cognizance of his demanding office, we the family members are stressed was so see we the family members they do hereby request or see any busuafo no ye ka kyerem mamate enye se ebia ye nemu edi sa woso ye request omu demand omu kyerɛ se de ye pani. We are requesting or hereby request that Mr. Intim temporarily at the end of the day excuse himself and also from active office duty, but also from outright. You can say be outrighter. He's that for. First, somebody can say temporarily excuse himself. On channel free party dwumadie nyina mu if you say oni ahoden a obetumi party adwuma eno mu wie no mo say den but also from outright party politics until further notice. So uko toilet down ho ana KVIP down ho ne atro under construction until further notice also TSS NPP chairman bi ana MPP ato asase no yeka say until further notice. Ebusuafo no use sa word no they used it very carefully. Almost say party politics until further notice. John person catch MP before say your chairman no your busuani no one party na eto nkwanta apai. So what say ana wonam na say uko say KVIP ana toilet ana ebini dan bi ya tregu ho under construction until further notice e kire say MPP di bi ato na osuro so obeyi nanim opese obesi stores wo so enti until further notice ne kire say enya de oba ne abochina sebio daache kura omma de abusuafo ni ka kire MPP ni say ye busuani no onema to nkwanta ya pai ma paize busuani no ma menjudwa de akanim na yem fampon ai mejudwam ade a we omo ntua meka o omo so mo insult me muntia me amusu muntia me ye adwuma ne kyamo ma men san judwa de akanim MPP chairman Stephen Tim ebusuan panyin so te brofo otro brofo bebre ta eye kratafan eto so mienu na me bedwedwem no Kevin Taylor me a mudi matama me nko bebia o say this is the resolution from the recent extended family meeting ebusuan panyin say ensem om de gu krata we so no ebusuanfo nyina tena ase ana muti ko bankrom and your friend den recent extended family meeting den resolution peace that forget mechi or say this is the resolution. So Bronica said this is the resolution. Na se busuafo nyina tena ase na ehiafo sikafo ananta omuwom omom ko school omom ton ade na asai omom de sofudie edare omoni ase ibu nkofo omom awontafo omom ya ananta omom ya beifo ebusuafo asofo obi ahia ye na ye fra bibi resolution omuti ekobankrom om se busua na ka omoto atwam wei asama omuken asama ebusua tena ase omkoye meeting omugitumu egigim mijidwam na uko anima chairman ebusuafo letter na mijidwam no I say common sense dictates that hey say Stephen Tim ebusuafo buofu afire words ne mu ya dinba ai common sense dictates that Steve hey it was a page so guy how my friend Steve no say Steve they said omu yi free party no friend Steve hey it was a guy oh Assemble baby, also you be smiling. Assemble baby, also you be smiling. The team. Now, I say, common sense dictates that Steve, as a matter of urgency, be temporarily excused, not only from the rigors of active politics, but from intra-party activities in order to make way for needed peace and solace and for concentration on the ongoing required medical treatment process. In some one, they are talking about political party NPP no emu wontwi ewomu no ene one and two, they are also speaking about Stephen Tim the medical condition. So I want to bro from Kano and I want to say as a matter of urgency, that be temporarily excused, not only from the rigors of active politics, but from the intra-party activities in order to make way for needed peace. Into one, almost say, I could hear all every party, two things. Bako oyare yajatum. Na second one, no party no otchere, juja. When you were just intra-party, intra. That's a within. Almost a party mwajuja. And almost sharing your beer, a cron for party mwajujano, or no, Sibia, Tebio, Neyaria, and the condition tiano, almost fanning could see Eddie, I know Emmanuel Jadam, and will be Kununko to me. Inti, two things in the bush of one canoa, or Banyansa for bro for a matrono, or Yare, no one tono, Onyan Wading, Yen Jano Manin Sama, but party mwajuja. And Mamma Fanembaya Hanam and Bekuna and Tamonchaye into whose steady wedding now. Ebusuan for ye ready say omuba ye yen and say because omuja omu de shena sebio oyare na sebio ne ho fan na owura party be party activity ana obeye chairman NPP na emu acheche no mubeku no ebusuan for they are speaking code wuwom code wuwom ebusuan for no code omu pointed to quote the omu person kind of paragraph we mun say yenjimi yo yedim say party na say yedim say party no mukunkum nipa ye de hye no wanyini kakra na ho mfa no ye bo no ho ban se na be ya obenyina che kakra ye nja ne ma ne mba ma mo mfa ne nya hanam mo party na mo boni patuo eku nipa no party na intra party politics party na chairman wuntumi nam ha ebokro no Bawumia nam ha kan kwase asem Kennedy Agyapong nam ha kan kwase asem brand champ ojimi ne ho no omo mfa omo de hye ne ma mo nkoku ne nto ne ntwene we ye brofo pizza for enya me a enya otu for pa anka de we nka me nya ma mo me kabibia pizza for Asante man Nicaragua for saying can me na otu for me dono a me buna ade we nka me nye because party mo NPP station obi anim nyanso obetima ya sade we amamo aya na mo da mo bompa ya mo otu for na obo ya mame kanchan hene kwase party na mutim mame nto aso omuko ni omo say the family learned of a circular from the party headquarters signed by its general secretary about a convened party meeting to be held at Alisa Hotel on June 17, 2025. We are concerned. Hey, we are concerned. So, Bronikas, okay, Mamma Comini, would you? Hey, 17 family number. We are concerned, deeply sad. I'm for paragraph Libium. Hey, Pizza to four, Afemo Biomonum, Patinagu, Omu Jimimo, Tie. The family learned of a circular from the party headquarters signed by its general secretary about a convened party meeting to be held at Alisa Hotel on June 17, 2025. Almost to say, party general secretary released Kratabi Atum Fremem, sa party ne Kwaku Shia, Ewa Alisa Hotel, a 17th of June, inti almost so Omohu. Omuko when you say. We are concerned. Almost say, Bibi Haye. Yantia Huase. We are concerned. So, Bronika say, Obi trouble of say, we are concerned that now Bibi Hano. We are concerned and deeply saddened. Almost say, Bibi Haye, and ye dear war. See, we are concerned and deeply saddened. Or see, ye bushia for no. Bibi Haye, and ye said, ye dear war. Ye di kodanda da yaso ye just say ye di how or how many ye. We are concerned and deeply saddened and object to the fact that Steve is scheduled to chair the event, although it is known to the party rank and file he is indisposed and incapacitated. Incapacitated. Stephen Timo Ebushia for any brofo. Incapacitated to be in attendance, let alone chairing the function. I'm say, I dear chomu yamun sono. I am doing yaw. I am mu diarrhea war. And they say, party for the nim. Say Stephen won't fano or yare. Otuni na anopa ya mani kokoro no ma ka pudu kutane bubogu nenim ka kutane bubogu nenim onu musu na bubogu nenim seven bre seven na anadwo nipa kuta papa ene yedi hu no Steven yare party ani tua enti eye ya ewo ye yam etwa ya nsurum eya komahyew ne oyaw ne yede ka sei abra party nim NPP nim say mo chairman onda ye na mo koye meeting na mo de na akotena soro ho adenti na mo yesa enti ebusuafo person ka cha NPP for say eye adwene bone ene trapper omo hyehye ma Steve no ana Steve no omo de hye no embe mu da enti omo se simohu de omo aye meka kyerem so omeku akwana to atwene meka kyerem so omeku no meka kyerem be 1 month ago na Stephen Tim ebusuafo di matem me se omeku na to atwene NPP incapacitated so am for PZ4 yakase obi ye incapacitated a won kotokura onte why incapacitated omuchro wase omu say and incapacitated to be in attendance, let alone chairing the function. Yakase obi, he is incapacitated. Sandi pano odi omo gune niasia onte. Odi prior one toa onte. Shupanya one kwenchia onte. Sandi pano otumi boduku nana adwene so yo hene. Enso e tupak. Yakase obi ye incapacitated and nitisi achia kakra. Incapacitated. Uwon koto awonte. Ya tamne deche ya dakoto dansem. And your friend incapacitated. Please at one mechi. Incapacitated. Sani ya si MPP chairman je si awaye. Hey, akwa mi chilechim. Miya mi chilechim anaba. Miya kasa mesa busa mwose. Hey, adentra. Omo Poison Steven. Omo kunu slowly. Yan kwa si yona menju jom. Insembe bre oho. Me kwa Montreal. Mechi ma mo jimi mu ho anamaba
yo it for we ni and somewhat ababeto yepono so meka say so wunya subscribe to channel idea bomodi ase obe subscribe na fi wa like video and give us a thumbs up na fi share ma wo foforo so na we je bi hwe na wo hu asem dodo na ra ekoso e wo Ghana memu oso betimi a kire wadwen afa eye ensem we nyina ho e wo comment box mu mo beti minka bi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. click on the bell to turn on the notification.